Hello and welcome to 122 Bennetts Road in Mountain River. We are 35 minutes south of the centre of Hobart, and yet we're in this little piece of paradise. We're surrounded by some beautiful mountains, some lifestyle and rural properties, and down there we've got almost 300 metres of your personal access to Mountain River frontage. Sounding pretty good? Well, come on, let's take a look around. Comprising of over 27 acres of mostly fertile pastures, the land is largely split between two tiers, providing an interesting and very picturesque landscape. Up here is the living precinct, with the house, a 6x6 metre powered shed, a carport with clever storage attached, and an easy care garden setting of mostly natives and lawn. Down on the second tier, the lush pasture paddocks lead to a strip of native forest which lines the full length of the banks of the very tranquil setting of Mountain River. Just imagine a river like this on your own backyard. The house was architect designed and built in 2002. Currently still in pristine condition, it was also well ahead of its time, with wall and ceiling insulation, double glazed windows, solar tube hot water, solar power top up, and the clever north-northeast orientation. Inside, the natural light floods in everywhere. The spacious open plan living takes in gorgeous views through large picture windows. Overlooked by the dining and the kitchen, here there are granite bench tops complemented with a soft kauri timber finish and loads of storage. Two of the three spacious bedrooms have built-in robes, each with their own special views. The central bathroom is fresh and tastefully decorated. A second toilet also has a vanity and cupboards. Even the laundry is fresh and bright and matches the bathroom. Outside, there are decks on three sides of the house, depending on which view you choose to enjoy that day. Well, this certainly is a very special property and clearly loved by its owner. My name is Karl Gallienne of Harcourts, Huon Valley. Please give me a call so I can arrange a private inspection for you. But be warned, you will fall in love with it.